No eggs, no oven, no stress. Just layers of a bold raspberry flavor that actually hold their shape. This is where the flavor comes from. A quick raspberry coulis that's bright, not overly sweet. We are using lemon juice to keep that tang and a bit of sugar to balance it out. The slurry helps lightly thicken the coulis, so it sits neatly between the layers. You know it's ready when it clings to the spatula, but still slides off. Strain it through. This part takes a minute, but it's worth it. Press gently to get all the coulis out without mashing the seeds through. And you'll end up with something like this, smooth, glossy, and full of raspberry flavor. Use cold mascarpone, it's what helps the cream holds its shape. Just mix until it's smooth and creamy, don't overdo it. Start with cold cream. It whips faster and gives you more control. Whip until you get medium stiff peaks, thick enough to hold but still soft enough to spread. Fold the cream in a third at a time. This keeps the mixture light and airy. It takes a few rounds, but it's worth it. Don't rush it. Slow folding is what gives you that smooth, stable texture. It should look like this, creamy, light, and ready to layer. This is the raspberry soak. Just a bit of water to loosen the coulis so the lady fingers can soak it up easily. Soak the lady fingers briefly, just a few seconds until they are soft but still hold together. Layer them snugly at the bottom. They'll soften more as the tiramisu sets. Spoon over some of the coulis and spread it gently edge to edge. Okay, so this is Marco's genius idea. It's to sprinkle in a few raspberry pieces now before the cream goes on top. Now scoop in half of the mascarpone cream and then spread it into an even smooth layer. Repeat the layers, lady fingers, coulis, raspberries, and the rest of the cream. And that's it. Chill this at least 8 hours or overnight so it sets beautifully. Once it's chilled, pour over more of the coulis and smooth it out. Cut a slice, add fresh raspberries, mint leaves, and it's ready to serve. No eggs, no oven, just bold raspberry flavor in every bite.